To mount now the plate, the cover, the wall plate, okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that because sometimes it can be a little tricky. So what you want to do is that the trick is that you want to pry off the top and the bottom, not the side, okay, not the side, else you will break it. So if you have something like, let's say, a credit card or something, you simply pry off from the top. In my case, I will simply use my fingers, okay, and then I put my fingers on the top over here. There you go. You prise off the top, okay, and then same thing with the bottom. There you go. You prise off this way. Better to use a card, okay, type credit card, in order to pry it out, specifically when it is on the wall. What you want to do is simply tuck it, okay, and then simply screw down your plate. Okay, so once you screw down your plate, you simply put that in and push it. There you go. That's how is your wall plate. Again, I'm gonna show you how now to pry off when it is on the wall. I'm gonna even use this wall plate that was here prior, which is flat enough to pry off. So what you do, you put it on the top, okay, and then you kind of like slowly, gently push it in. There you go. You pry off the top, and same thing for the bottom. There you go. So you have it off. That's how you get it without breaking in the hook. So I'm gonna put it back, pry in. There you go. So we're all set. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.